I'm here today at the headquarters of the Wales Air Ambulance in Llanelli, and I'm a part of a team of volunteers that are using their Giving Something Back Day to help out with the Wales Air Ambulance summer raffle. We've got 7 volunteers here today. So we're going to save them about a week's worth of time, admin, and that's time that they can get out and they can fundraise and they can spend on more important elements of bringing money into the charity. I mean, they spent time this morning telling us about the charity themselves and how many millions they have to raise per year just to keep the service going. So yeah, we'll give our time and you know, their time is better spent doing the things that they're best at.
I've absolutely loved today. It's my first Giving Something Back Day and it will stay with me for a long time. I've learned so much. There are 4 helicopters that are used across Wales. I also learned that there's a vast amount of training that the staff have to undertake as crew before they're able to go out on the air ambulance. And it was an opportunity for me to share my time and understand a little bit more about the vital service. And I would encourage any member of staff to get involved.
There are so many wins for giving back. You know, you've got the obvious, you know, whoever you're supporting, they're going to benefit from your time, from your knowledge, from your support. I've been able to get to meet with new colleagues that maybe my paths haven't crossed with in the business. So it's been great today to sort of get that teamwork, those introductions. You know, we've all travelled down together, so we've got to know each other a lot better as well. And personally, it's just so good to give something back. It's been quite inspirational today to hear the stories, to understand the impacts that these charities are having. So whatever we can do to help, it doesn't always have to be financial. Sometimes the gift of time can be massive as well. So I would encourage anybody to get involved in Giving Something Back Day.